So we're going to a place called The Hat here in Monterey Park. You guys always like to know where I go to eat, so I'm going to show you one of the places where I go to eat. It's so good. Here we go. Mask is on, and we are going in. Oh, they have things right here. Right here. It's called The Hat. It's right up there. We can get a shot of it. I'll get a better shot of it. Here. There it is. The Hat. I like the pants. Look at that. It's big. So I ordered chili cheese fries, very light cheese. It's my favorite thing here at The Hat, so I'll be getting that soon. And there it is, The Hat. I'm going to show you my chili cheese fries in a second. I'm going to get a good shot of the thing there. I'm going to show you the chili cheese. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap this for you guys. It's really big, folks. Ooh, chili cheese fries. Enough for 10 people, but I'm not going to finish this whole thing, obviously. I'm just going to eat. I can't see. There it is. And an orange bang. More orange bangs. Which I'm getting. And that's my experience to The Hat. Bye.